Mike, hold on, let me stop this. You got a fishing name? You can't have mine. All right, this is the Buffalo Perch Killer, Buffalo, New York. What is it, the family day?
Yeah, family fishing day.
Family fishing day. What is this, Broderick Park?
Yep.
Down at Broderick Park. We got all the guys putting together fishing poles for the kids. Everything is free, from the bait to the fishing poles. Everything is free. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put this right here.
You know what? Yeah, sit him on the bed and everybody. He's sticking all over his back.
Where the empty box is at? Just shove them that way. Shove them that way. Steve.
They're giving y'all tickets.
They stuff.
Hey.
You got parents. You got parents that knows how to fish. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I see him over there admiring it. I'm looking at it too. That's a nice reel on that. That little brown one that you were just holding.
Huh?
With that pole you were just holding. That's a nice reel on that. Yeah, I agree with you.
Who you with?
Huh?
How you took back here? Who you with? She wish she's
I'm a fisherman just like you. I got her in the pole. I just don't want her to get one.
But I'm going to give her the poles out. I'm giving her a push button now.
You gave her a push button at last year.
Oh, so she did get a pole last year. So she don't need one this year. So that means she got a pole last year. Don't tell now, so you tell her.
Them push button poles, they fit.
Tell her.
I'm not a greedy person.
Come back every minute and get a pole.
Reggie, after I get the hooks on it, we want to get a bucket with just stuff with all
Putting the
it.
hooks on.
I'm about to get ready to start doing it.
Anybody, you can do it if you want to. Okay, but that should be down that way, not on my truck.
You got it, brother.
That should be over that way, not on my truck. My son gonna get mad at y'all on my truck.
Where the gold in that? Where your truck at, little Junior?
Over there.
That's the one we should have over here, the beaters.
That's the one normally over here for the garbage boxes when they come.
Where they at? Where's the boxes?
No, they already there.
I got boxes over there.
Now, okay, give me some poles. Give me some poles so I can get started. Get started. Here they come.
Who took them hooks?
Hey, what's up, Lieutenant? Mike.
Yeah.
Hey, while you put the poles is done. Are you separating the open face from the closed? Hey, you finished with that one? What's your name?
Michael. Call me the Perch Killer.
Okay, what's in here, man? The one with hooks and with the hooks and
Yeah, I just got to see it. They stole my hooks.
What you doing, man?
Okay. Good. Okay, order these guys. Listen.
We'll work with them later.
What's going on, man? Hey, what's going on, my brother?
We need help. We need help.
Okay.
Over there, all them poles in there. Hey, where the hooks at in the sinkers?
Nope, it was on the ground over there.
Right over here. Somebody took a box.
What we need them so everybody can use it.
I think Reggie got a pack somewhere.
Just book it out. Just book it out. Just do as much as we appreciate as much you can do. Yeah. Rico, what kind of baby? Don't touch it, man. When we do that, we put it in. That's the way to do it. Wherever floats your boat, brother. Where is it in your truck, right? Empty box over there? Ready for my soon.
I ain't go no more.
Yeah.
I want everybody to have everybody else. Hey, listen, I gotta get these kids spiked. Listen, I gotta get these things spiked down. You got them spiked in? Okay,
We tied it.
no, I'm just saying, I don't want to lose them.
Don't worry about it. We got it.
Hey, Red, I don't want to lose no chance.
They all tied out.
Okay, good. Okay. All right. Sam, you ever put it up?
You slide by you, man.
Water?
Gotta bring it down here, young man.
Put them together now. They put them together, so you guys gotta have patience, okay? They put them together for you. So have patience. You guys
Like 40 came to a box. They got two.
All these folks got lines on.
We're gonna put the ones together.
Sammy, yeah. 1 second, Sam. Let me know. Tell me a little bit about what they're doing.
Yeah, right here. Oh, you're recording?
Yes, just let me know what they're doing right now.
Right now we're putting the poles together, putting the strings on and the hooks, the sinkers, stuff like that. Getting the poles ready for the kids. They're excited about it.
Right.
They're ready to go.
Right.
We'll be ready to go shortly.
Okay, and they gotta have a pair.
The parents have to be here with the kids.
Right.
We want the kids to get the benefit of utilizing these poles. We want them to keep these poles and bring them back next year.
Yeah, there you go.
Because we don't have enough poles every year to give out new poles to kids, probably the same kids every year.
Yeah.
Okay? They got to take care of the poles when they get them, and I'm going to make sure that they know that over here at the training.
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Because I see you got a lot of kids this morning. It's 8 o'clock, Sam, and a lot of people out here at 8.
And they're ready to go. They're excited.
Okay. All
We're excited.
We're excited. Thank you.
I'm everywhere. You got these lined up? How many folks you got lined up? Who got sinkers? I'm trying to find it lined up with sinkers to hook up. None? No, they went to class to learn. I need that on.
What color? Black, brown?
Here we go. Gotta hold it for a little bit, huh?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
DeMar, come here. You want to help put these joints together? But look, either this joint right here or side of this joint.
They're giving them the poles now. I want them to get an open post, though.
Yeah.
I want to make sure they don't go get
One of these two in my hand, I'm telling you.
I don't know. Which one you doing?
Either one of these.
They the same. They look the same.
Yeah, they have one black, one this one. That shit's sexy.
But see if you can give it to them.
Who's showing how to cast?
Who's
showing them how to cast?
Here go. Buzzer.
Yeah, let me go ahead and set this up before I'm gonna get ready to give it to him.
Y'all gotta punch these cards.